Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Taufik Hidayat. You can call me Taufik. I'm from class 1A, 1A D3 and electric engineering. Name 20210104 2040. Today, I will present the result of the group work on the part of the speak about verb. Verb, kata kerja, adalah kata yang merupakan salah satu unsur part of speak yang menunjukkan tindakan, bringing rate atau kejadian atau keadaan, dan sikap. Merupakan suatu kata yang berfungsi untuk menunjukkan tindakan dari subjek, menunjukkan peristiwa atau keadaan. Kata kerja bahasa Inggris tidak selalu berbentuk simpel satu kata, melainkan mungkin berupa frasa hasil kombinasi dengan partikel menjadi phrasal verb. Various verb. Transitive verb. That is a verb that requires an object to complete the meaning of the sentence or complete the meaning of the sentence. Example, she made a cake. Word made cannot stand alone and has no meaning in a sentence if it is added to the word a cake. In general, transitive verb only have one object. The object can be noun, pronoun, infinitive, ground, past, pause. In transitive verb, kata kerja yang tidak membutuhkan objek. That is verb that does not require an object because it can understand perfectly the meaning of the sentence. Verbs that are included in transitive verb include succumb, sit, boil, slept, fall, cried. Example, the baby cries. My mother is sleeping. The water boils. Finite verb. Finite verb adalah complete verb, yaitu verb yang memiliki subjek dan tense waktu yang jelas. Biasanya mempunyai bentuk infinitive, present participle, gerund, past tense, present tense, past participle. Example, Miss Annie read a novel. Miss Annie is reading a novel. Does Miss Annie read a novel? Miss Annie read a novel. Miss Annie has read a novel. Auxiliary verb. That is verb that is used together with other verbs to express an action or state or function to complete a grammatical function. Auxiliary verb are is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had, can, could, will, would. Linking verb. That is verb that function to connect the subject with its complement. Common linking verb are be, am, is, or was, look, stay, appear, become, remain, taste, feel, seem, smell, grow, sound. Example, the actress is beautiful. I like luxurious. The cake smell delicious. Type verb. Regular verb. A regular verb is verb that can change according to the tense and change the form of the verb regularly. Regular verb which in Indonesian are called regular verb are verb were the form of verb 1 to verb 2 or to verb 3 is changed by adding the suffix "-ed" or only by adding the suffix "-de" only if the verb ends with the letter. Example: call, called, called; admit, admit, admit; submit, submit, submit; invite, invite, invite. Irregular verb. Irregular verb is a verb that has the same function as a regular verb, but change the form of this verb irregularly. Irregular verb are verbs that change from verb 1 to verb 2 or to verb 3 without adding the suffix "-ed" or this verb change irregularly or considering the number of verbs is very large and most than regular verb, it's easy to memorize irregular verb. The form of irregular verb are divided into the group as follows. Use of verb. Discussing the use of verbs, of course. What is meant is their use in sentence, and sentence in English cannot be separated from the tense, which is the embodiment of the use of verb based the effort time according to their use in sentence. Verbs are divided into three different groups, namely: 1. Infinitive verb. These verbs, both regular or irregular and transitive or intransitive, are used in habitual sentence. Example: Linda sleeps soundly. I play a piano well. Rini give me much money. I work very hard every day. 2. Perfect verb. Both the irregular or irregular and the transitive or intransitive. The second form of verb is specifically used in past tense sentence, simple past tense. Example: My sister went to Jakarta yesterday. Irregular on intransitive. Nia invite me to her party. Regular transitive. Rina broke my spark deck. Irregular transitive. We arrived to school at regular intransitive. Past participle. This verb has two scopes of use, namely in the past form, perfect tense, and also in the possessive voice. Example: He has gone home. We have complete our agreement. I am invited to come to her party. This point was written by Rendra. This third form of verb cannot stand alone like a previous two verb. This verb is used in the perfect tense used to describe event that has ended. Both present perfect past tense example of the use sentence are: I have finished my project this afternoon. She has cleaned her room. Conclusion. Verb is the word to show action. For example, to buy, to read, to run, and X and to. So state of bank example: to be, have, to become, to send, and X verb consist from kin type un. Verbs are the most important types of word in a sentence. Without verb, we cannot make sentence. Even in spoken language with just a verb, we can expression an idea that can be understood by other. Well, that were the result of my present or or sorry for any mistake. Thank you for cooperation and attention. I say see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.